Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel your order on Etsy website. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, if you are logged in into your account, you'll find the welcome back sentence with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner, as you can see here, a sign in option. Of course, if you click on it, you'll be able to log in into your account or even to create your account. You'll be able to do this both options with your Google account, Facebook account, or even your Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. Once you choose one of those options, you will be able to find yourself here with this home or this main page, and even with the welcome back sentence, as we said, and of course that will be your page from there. So as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to cancel our order. So of course, if you wish to do that, simply you will need to go. Of course, first of all, let me just tell you that is just for a desktop only, what I'm going to say right now. So of course, you will need to go to your account right here at the top right corner, click on it, and then click on purchases and reviews. Of course, here you'll find maybe your order or the things that you already purchase. So of course, you will need then to open a case. How can you do that? Just choose your order. You may have here different orders. For me, I don't have anyone. So of course, anything. So of course, once you select your order, you will need to go and click at open a case. And of course, if you want to follow the steps of how to open a case and how to make a case, you will find a video on this channel on how to do that exactly. So make sure to go and check it out. So this will be actually for this tutorial. When you finish, you'll find your case here at this cases option. You'll be good to go. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.